You got hiccups like your daddy. Mm-hmm. You falling asleep?
That's cute.
Could be my brother. Probably my brother.
Yeah,
Oh.
checking somebody.
Oh yeah, checking someone in. He's good. Oh, that's a close-up. Dresden. Stay awake for your uncle. Stay awake for Uncle Corey. Your actual uncle this time. He'll be excited to see you awake. What's that? What's that, huh? So awake. Hey. He's awake if you want to come see before he falls asleep. And you can talk to him. Her oxygen keeps going down.
Hey there, little boy.
They love male voices too. Pretty cute, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Is he smiling?
Yeah, you kind of like.
He has dimples.
Yeah. Got the leakage.
Oh, latched on. Says, I like
He's
that.
licking it.
It's okay. You like that? Say hi, Uncle Corey. I know you sort of.
Oh.
Aww. He doesn't do that very often.
He's hungry.
Yeah, he's getting ready to get fed.
Oh.
You might want to actually give him his pacifier. The orange. Yeah. If he opens. If he doesn't open, then he's not interested. Nope.
Okay.
He just wanted your finger. It's pretty cute, huh?
Yeah, he's so tiny.
You're gonna surpass one bottle pretty soon.
I hope so.